Hi boys and girls, and welcome to another week of Science Stories. And this week it's quite a complicated one, so I hope you can keep up with this because it messes with my head, so I hope you can keep up with it too. So, 3 things here for you: CD, pen drive, and a spray can. Here's the story. The story is that there is a new version of this Beatles album coming out, but they're not going to release it on a CD, which isn't there. They are not going to release it digitally, like on a pen drive or the stream. They're going to release it inside a spray can. Now, this is where it gets complicated. The music, instead of being put onto the internet and people listening to it, it will be put into little tiny bits of DNA and put inside paint molecules, which will then be put inside a spray can. So the information for the Beatles music will be in a spray can. And there's no way to listen to it without getting a computer and taking apart the DNA, and it's all very hard. But it is a way for scientists just to show what they can do. So the idea is, instead of having your information on a pen drive or on a CD or stored somewhere else, you store it inside DNA, which means in the future you would be able to have inside you the information, whatever information you want. It could be your own information and you just touch things and the information goes from your DNA. It could be things like your family photos, could be stored inside DNA. Now, one little pen drive here, let's say this is an 8 gigabyte pen drive. 1 gram, tiny amount of DNA, so that has 1 gram of DNA could have 550 billion gigabytes of data. Now that is immensely different. So it's just an example of how they're going to store data in the future using DNA. So not using computer chips or data banks, anything like that. It's all in your DNA. So what do you think? Is the Beatles spray can true or false? Let me know on Seesaw. Bye.